Welcome to all of you, my dear students. Welcome to all of you in 11th class physics. Today we are going to discuss a very important use of dimension, that is to check the correctness or to check the consistency of the given equation. Okay, so in our previous lecture we also discussed some example or some numerical regarding the correctness of the dimension or correctness of the any given relation using dimension analysis. So in this lecture we also discuss some more numerical on the basis of dimension, uses of dimension. Okay, so first numerical is check the correctness of the relation v square minus u square equal to 2as, where the symbol have their usual meaning. Okay, now we go for the solution. This is the example. Check the correctness of the relation v square minus u square equal to 2as, where the symbol have their usual meaning. Okay, now here v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity. This is v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, and a is the acceleration, and s is the distance. So the solution of this, okay, the given relation is v square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay, so first writing the dimensions on either side, we get, first of all we try to write the dimension of given relation of LHS. So LHS equal to what? V square minus u square. Okay, v square minus u square. So what is v? V is the final velocity, and what is the formula for velocity? Displacement upon time. Okay, so displacement is measured in meter and time is measured in second. So the dimension formula is L1 t minus 1 and whole square, because this is the whole square, minus what is u? U is also initial velocity and the dimension formula is same, so L t minus 1 of whole square. Okay, if we solve this, L square t minus 2, because if we multiply this power in bracket, okay, so L square minus t square in the same way. And if we solve this, okay, if we solve this, then L square minus t square, this relation is not zero, because it's a we do only dimension analysis. Okay, so if someone asks, sir, L square t minus 2 minus L square t minus 2 will become 0, but it's not 0, only it's a dimension. Both the terms we consider as a dimension, so L square t minus 2. Okay, if the right hand side same value we get, then the equation is correct. So we try to write the dimension of RHS, that is 2as. So this is the RHS 2as. 2 is the numerical value, so no dimension, and a is the acceleration. So what acceleration? What is the formula of acceleration? or what is the SI unit? Meter per second square. So meter is meter is the SI unit of length. So I write here L and per second square, so T minus 2. Okay, and A is multiply S, so S is the distance and it is measured measured as a length, so into L1. Okay, if you multiply L1 and L1, this is the L square, L2 and T minus 2. So what is LHS? LHS is L square T minus 2. And what is RHS? RHS is L square T minus 2. So LHS equal to RHS, dimensionally the formula is correct. Okay, if the LHS is equal to RHS, then the formula is correct. Okay, now our second numerical is check the accuracy of the relation. This is the symbol of nu or frequency. Okay, so nu equal to 1 by 2L under root T by M, where nu is the frequency, L is the length, T is the tension and M is mass of unit length of the string. Okay, this is the relation and we want to check the consistency of this equation, whether the given equation is correct or not. Okay, so the process is similar as we do before. First of all, write the dimension of LHS and also write the dimension of RHS. Then if LHS equal to RHS, then the given equation is true. So check. The given relation is nu equal to 1 by 2L under root T by M. Okay, so writing the dimension on either side, we have what? LHS. LHS is the frequency and frequency is the 1 by T, or 1 by T means T inverse, because frequency, the formula of frequency is what? The formula of frequency is F equal to 1 by T. Okay, so LHS equal to T inverse and the dimension formula is M0 L0 T minus 1. Now what is RHS term? This is the RHS term, so I write here 1 by 2L under root T by M. Now 1 by 2 has no dimension. Okay, and here this is the length. Okay, this is the length, so we can easily write the dimension of L. And T is what? T is the tension, and tension is what? Tension is also a force, so we can write easily the dimension of force. And M, what is M? M is the unit mass, unit length of string, or mass of unit length. Okay, so we try to write the dimension. Okay, see here, as 1 by 2 has dimensions, no dimension, and tension is the force, and M equal to what? Mass upon length. So LHS equal to what? 1 by L, 1 by L, because L is the length, so we write the dimension 1 by L, and in bracket, what is the dimension formula of T? T is the force. Okay, so what is the formula of force? Mass into acceleration. So mass is the m1, acceleration is L1 T minus 2. Okay, upon what is M? M is the mass upon length, so m1 L minus 1. So this is the dimension formula, m1 L minus 1. So if I cancel m to m, okay, m to m, and this L is in denominator and the power is minus 1. If we take this L in numerator, then the power becomes 8, so L square and T minus 2 is as it is. Okay, so L square upon T square, if I write this, Please see here, RHS equal to what? 1 by L, and in bracket M1 L1 T minus 2 upon M L minus 1. So M cancel, and what is 1 by L, and in bracket L2. Why L2? Because minus 1, if we write L minus 1 in numerator, then the power becomes add, so L square T minus 2. Okay, if I write the power T minus 2 in positive, then L square upon T square. Okay, so 1 by L into what? If we solve L by T, and the power is square, and this is the root, so root cancel this power, and it become 1 by L into L by T. So L cancel, and 1 by T, or we can write T inverse. And what is LHS? LHS is M0 L0 T minus 1. And what is RHS? RHS is also M0 L0 T minus 1. Okay, LHS equal to RHS, so the given relation is correct, or the relation is dimensionally equal. Okay, so the given formula LHS equal to RHS dimensionally formula is correct. Okay, now third question is, check the correctness of the relation, and the relation is SNTH equal to AU plus A by 2 in bracket 2n minus 1, where U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, and SNTH is the distance traveled by the body in nth second. Okay, nth second. So this is the relation, and if we are able to find LHS equal to RHS, then the given relation is correct. Okay, so see the solution. The given relation is what? SNTH equal to U plus A by 2 in bracket 2n minus 1. Okay, now राइटिंग द डायमेंशन ऑन आइदर साइड, दोनों साइड में डायमेंशन आपको लिखना है. व्हाट इज एस एन टी एस? देखिए, एल एच एस इक्वल टू वॉट? एस एन टी एच. एन टी एच मीन्स nth टाइम इन nth सेकेंड. सो दिस इज द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इन nth सेकेंड. सो वी राइट डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, एंड व्हाट इज डिस्टेंस इज मेजर्ड इन meter, or meter is the SI unit of length, so L by T. And what is dimension? L T minus 1. Okay, and what is the dimension formula? M0 L1 T minus 1. Okay, now we check on RHS side, U plus A by 2 2n minus 1. Okay, what is U? U is the initial velocity. So, and what is the formula of initial velocity? Displacement upon time. So m0 L1 T minus 1. So L1 T minus 1 plus what is A? A is the acceleration, and dimension formula of acceleration is what? L1 T minus 2. So this is the L1 T minus 2. Okay, 1 by 2 has no dimension. Here 2 also has no dimension and 1 also has no dimension. Only n. What is n? N is the, let's see here, a body in nth second. So n is the time in second. So t, okay, only t in place of n. So solve this. Okay, what is the dimension of u? That is L1 t minus 1 plus 1 by 2 has no dimension, only dimension of a. What is L1 t minus 2, and 2 also has no dimension, only n. So I write here t. Okay, L1 t minus 1 plus L1, and the power of t1 is 1, n minus 2. So according to rules of power or components, become t minus 1. Okay, L1 t minus 1, L1 t minus 1. And what is the dimension on LHS side? LHS side is also L1 t minus 1. Okay, so the given equation is correct. Let's see here, L t minus 1, so m0 L1 t minus 1 and LHS equal to RHS dimensionally, so the formula is correct. Okay, now one more question. Let us consider an equation 1 by 2 m into v square equal to mgh. This is the energy, and which energy? Kinetic energy, equal to mgh is what? This is the potential energy. So these two energy are equal, kinetic energy equal to potential energy. So we want to check this relation is correct or not. So where m is the mass of the body, v its velocity, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. Check whether this equation is dimensionally correct or not. Okay, so LHS, what is LHS terms? LHS terms is 1 by 2 mv square. Okay, what is the dimension formula of 1 by 2? So no dimension, only we write m in place of m, because the dimension of mass is m and the dimension of velocity is what? L1 t minus 1 of whole square equal to what? m1 L2. If you solve this, L square t minus 2 square, so m1 L2 t minus 2. Okay, now on RHS side mgh, so I write the dimension formula of m, okay, of mass. G is the acceleration due to gravity, so what? Lt minus 2. And what is h? H is the height, so I write L. Okay, so if I solve this, then m1 L2 t minus 2. Okay, so LHS equal to RHS, and the given equation is dimensionally correct. The given equation is dimensionally correct because LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so this is all about the dimension application, and our next topic is, with the help of dimension analysis, how to find any given information and use for the derivation of the formula. Okay, so we try to derive any formula on the basis of given information using dimension analysis. Okay.